सभी
Om
खुश रहते
Shanti.
हैं।
Is everybody happy and satisfied?
कभी-कभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि
Sometimes I
बाबा
think that Baba
कितना हमको खुशी के बारे में कह रहे हैं।
is telling us so much about
अंदर देखते
happiness,
हैं कि कितनी खुशी है।
and check inside that how much are we
रोज
happy.
बाबा के महावाक्य सुनते हैं
So as much we
तो
listen
बाबा
to
की
the elevated
शिक्षाएं
words of
सुनते हैं
Baba, we listen to the
तो
teachings of
हमारा
Baba.
ध्यान जाता है कि
So we pay attention.
सदा खुशी न रहने का क्या कारण है।
What is the reason that I'm not
तो
happy
आज बाबा बता
always?
रहे हैं कि वो है
So
हमारा
today
सोच।
Baba is saying that it is
मन
about
का भी
because of our
सोच है,
thoughts,
बुद्धि का भी है।
thoughts of the mind,
तो
intellect.
हम कैसे
So
सदा
how we should
ज्ञान का
always
सोच सोचे, ज्ञान
have
रत्नों
thoughts
के बारे
about
में
knowledge.
सोचे।
Think about the jewels of knowledge always.
मन में का सोच है, बुद्धि का
Thoughts of the
सोच है।
mind, thoughts of the intellect are
इतने
there.
श्रेष्ठ संकल्प लाएं
We should
क्योंकि
bring such
संकल्पों में ही
elevated
दुख
thoughts
सुख है।
because in the thoughts only there is
दुख की
happiness
कोई पिछली
and
बात याद
sorrow.
आ जाएगी
If you remember anything of
तो
sorrow,
दुख होगा।
then you
कोई
will
बहुत
feel sorrow.
अच्छा कुछ हुआ वो
If
याद
anything
आता है
good
तो खुशी
happened,
होती है।
then you will feel happy.
तो हमें पता है कि हमें
So
किस
we
बात
know
का सोच चलेगा
that
तो
what kind
खुशी
of
होगी
thought we will have
और
that
किस
we will
बात
be
का सोच
happy,
चलेगा तो
and then
दुख हो सकता है,
which
उदास हो
kind of
सकते
thought
हैं,
will be there that will bring
निराश हो
sorrow,
सकते
that
हैं,
will bring
हिम्मतहीन
disappointment,
हो सकते हैं।
that will you will become less courageous, you'll
कैसे
become
ज्ञान
weak.
का सोच,
That is
जितना
why
जितना ज्ञान का सोच होगा
as much
उतनी
as there will
खुशी
be thoughts
रहेगी।
of knowledge, there will be happiness.
तो इसका मतलब ध्यान दें हम
So that
अपने
means
सोच पर।
pay attention on your
कई बार
thoughts.
सोच बहुत साधारण होता है।
Many times our thoughts are very ordinary.
दूसरे से भेंट करेंगे,
We are comparing with others.
दूसरों से बाबा कहते हैं रीस करेंगे
Baba says we are comparing with others.
तो खुशी बहुत फ्लक्चुएट होती है, नीचे
So
ऊपर होती
happiness
है।
is fluctuating.
मेरा भाग्य है,
It is my
भाग्यशाली
fortune.
हूँ।
I am fortunate.
तो ऐसे जैसे जैसे अपना बाबा ने कितना वंडरफुल पार्ट दिया है।
Baba has given us such a wonderful part.
तो इसलिए बाबा कहते हैं तन और
That is why
मन
Baba is saying that
दोनों को
mind and
सदा
body,
खुश रखने के लिए कम
to keep
सोचो।
that always happy, think less.
आगे का सोचना है पर
If you
कितना
want
तक
to
सोचेंगे।
think about future, but how much you want to think.
यहाँ तो सवेरे प्लान करते हैं,
Over here we
शाम को
plan in the
वो
morning
बदल जाता है।
and it changes in the evening.
तो सोचो, ये नहीं कि नहीं सोचो,
So think about it, but
परंतु न्यारे प्यारे भी रहो।
remain detached and loving.
सोचो फिर न्यारे हो जाओ।
Think and then
ठीक है,
become
जो
detached.
होगा बहुत अच्छा
Okay,
होगा,
whatever
जो
will
होगा
happen very good.
भला होगा,
Whatever will
जो
happen
होगा
will be
उसके कल्याण
beneficial.
होगा।
Whatever will
तो
happen will be
सोचो
good
ही
for everyone.
लेकिन
Think,
फिर छोड़ दो।
think about it, but leave
तो
it
बाबा
also.
कहते हैं
So Baba is
सोचो,
saying, think
जब
about the
तक
jewels
शरीर
of
को ठीक
knowledge.
है, अगर सोचना
In
ही
order
है
to keep both the
तो
body and
ज्ञान
mind
रत्नों
constantly
को
happy,
सोचो।
think less. If you have to think about something, then
तो
think
बाबा
about
कहते
the
हैं मैं
jewels of
ऐसा ही,
knowledge.
अगर ये भी सोचते हैं
If you think
कि
that you
मेरा
don't
पार्ट
see
तो इतना
anything in your
दिखाई नहीं
part,
देता है, आपने दूसरे से भेंट की ना तभी,
we are comparing
नहीं तो
with
अपने
others.
पार्ट में हमको खुश रहना
Otherwise,
चाहिए।
we should be happy in our
योग
part.
लगता नहीं है,
That you're unable to have
तो
yoga.
ये सोचने से तो थोड़ा सा गहराई में जाओ ज्ञान के,
So if you think about this
क्यों
in
नहीं
depth,
लगता है, कौन सी
why I'm
बातें
not able
दिखाई
to have
देती हैं।
yoga? What kind of thoughts are those?
अशरीरी होते नहीं,
That you're not able to become bodiless. Those
यही
are
बोध है
also
अगर दिन भर में
waste thoughts.
थोड़ा टेंशन नहीं देते हैं।
If I'm not paying
हाँ,
attention during the
24
day,
घंटे गुजरने में तो देर नहीं लगती है,
it doesn't take time
तो कम
for
से कम
24
सोचो
hours to
था 2
cross.
मिनट 5 मिनट
So at least have a thought for few
अशरीरी बनने
minutes,
का
5 minutes
प्रयास
to become bodiless.
करो। अशरीरी होते नहीं, ये सब वेस्ट
Those are also
संकल्प हैं।
waste thoughts.
उसकी भेंट में
In contrast to
समर्थ
those have
संकल्प
powerful
करो
thoughts, remembrance is
कि
my
आज मेरा
original
चला
religion.
मैं, मैं ही
I
कल्प
am an
कल्प
easy yogi
का
of every
परम
cycle.
योगी हूँ। इस प्रकार
Have
के
these
संकल्प
type
करो
of
तो
thoughts and
खुशी
you will
में
continue
रहेंगे।
to fly in happiness.
कोई भी बात नहीं कर पा रहे हैं,
If you're not able to
सोचने तो फायदा
say
नहीं है, अब
anything,
सोचो ना
do
करो
anything,
ना।
then then don't think about it. Otherwise, think and
एक
do
करता
it.
है तो दूसरों को प्रेरणा मिलती है,
If one does, then others are
और
also
अगर सभी
inspired.
करते हैं
And if everyone does
लहर
it,
बन जाती है, वातावरण
then
बन
it is
जाता है
like a
जब
wave
लोग
that
एक
is
जैसे
going around.
रहते
It's a
हैं।
movement. It is an environment that is
क्या
created.
ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल में भी
In traffic control also,
टिक होके बैठना है,
you have to be
तो
stabilize
सभी का
yourself.
अटेंशन जाता है।
So everybody pays attention.
तो इसलिए ये नहीं सोचो हम कर नहीं पा रहे हैं,
So don't think that
बस
I'm not able to do it. Do it.
कुछ थोड़ी दृढ़ता ला करके
Bring some determination in
आत्मिक
it
विश्वास से
with
अपने
soul
दिशा रथ को
consciousness.
बढ़ाओ, अपनी याद को बढ़ाओ।
Increase your effort,
ऐसे
increase your
रिपीटेशनली का
remembrance.
दिन में 1-2 बार अभ्यास करो।
Practice bodiless stage during the day.
पर देखा जाए
But if you look at
कितनी
it,
बार ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल होता है, हर घंटे
how
होता
many
है,
times there is traffic control?
तो उसमें लक्ष्य रखो
So
कि
have
मुझे
aim in
5 बार
that,
अश्लील होना है,
that I
5
have to
बार
practice
एकदम एकाग्र
being
होके याद
5
में
times
बैठना है,
bodiless and 5
11-12
times
बार
I
होता
have to
जाए,
sit in remembrance. So it will happen 11 to 12
तो
times you're
आपको
remembering
खुशी
Baba.
होगी,
You
सफलता
will
फील
also feel
होगी,
happy
बाबा के
and you will
समीपता होगी,
feel that
कहेंगे
you're
अरे
successful.
बाबा
You'll be more
कहता है हम
closer
तो
to
करते
Baba.
हैं।
That Baba, we do it,
नहीं तो एक
whatever you
टाइम ऐसा
say.
होता है कि
Otherwise, one
बाबा
time
तो
will
बहुत
come.
कहता है ये करो,
Baba
हम
says
तो
that do
करते
this,
नहीं
do
हैं।
that. We are not doing it.
तो खुद से ही अपने ऊपर विश्वास कम हो जाएगा।
So then you will not have faith
करो,
on yourself.
जैसे मैंने कहा ना ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल में तो कर सकते हैं।
Do traffic control at least.
अमृत वेले से पहले करो, बाद में करो,
Do it
कब
before
करो।
Amrit Vela, after that.
और दूसरा जैसे बाबा ने कहा ना,
And
सोचना ही
secondly,
श्रेष्ठ,
Baba
अपने
said
बारे
that
में और दूसरों
think
के बारे
elevated
में।
about yourself and others.
हर एक को एक्यूरेट पार्ट मिला है,
Everybody has received an accurate part.
तो इसलिए अपना सोच
So that is
अभ्यास
why
कल करें,
your
अपना
thoughts should
सोच
be about
हमारा
the
श्रेष्ठ
knowledge.
हो।
Our thoughts should be
उस
elevated.
संकल्प की शक्ति देखो ना कितनी होगी।
Look at the power of the thoughts. It is so powerful.
सदा खुश रहना भी कोई कम बात नहीं है।
It's nothing less to remain always happy.
तो कैसे रहेंगे?
So how
जब
will you remain?
श्रेष्ठ सोच होगा, व्यर्थ नहीं है।
When your thoughts will be
ओम
elevated,
शांति।
not waste. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti,
Om Shanti. Avyak Murli revision from 1969 onwards. Multi-million fortune and blessings.
अव्यक्त वाणी तारीख है 8 मई।
Avyak Signal's date is 8th May 1973. Supreme self-respect. At every moment, check how many treasures you have received from the Father. Do you know how many treasures you are the masters of? That is, somebody answered, countless. However, you can speak of some of the main ones. How many treasures are there at this confluence age? How many treasures have you received? The greatest treasure is that you found the Father. This is the number one treasure, is it not? When someone receives the key, it is as though he has found everything. Having found the Father, you have found everything. What else have you found? You also speak of this. You have received the knowledge and also the 8 powers. If you speak of each power individually, then each power is a treasure. In the same way, the virtues of the Father that you speak of can also be described as a treasure. In the same way, every second of the invaluable period of the confluence age is a treasure. Just as you receive attainment from the treasures, in the same way, you can have an elevated attainment from every second of the confluence age. So this time of the confluence, that is every second of the confluence age, is a treasure greater than multi-millions. If you were to accumulate multi-millions on the one side, and on the other side you kept 1 second of the confluence age, then the second of the confluence age would be more elevated, because the attainment for all time is available in this 1 second. You can tell everyone that they can claim the inheritance of Mukti and Jivan Mukti in 1 second. Therefore, even 1 second is so valuable. The time of the confluence age is also a huge treasure. So check to what extent you have been able to imbibe within yourselves all these treasures. Or is it that you have imbibed some treasures and not other treasures? You are not missing out slightly on any of the treasures, are you? You cannot be deprived. But if you only attain a little, then too you become part of the Moon dynasty. You cannot then be part of the Sun dynasty. To be in the Sun dynasty means to be complete. If you're not complete in any aspect, then you are not part of the Sun dynasty. If the soul is not complete, it cannot be called part of the Sun dynasty. So keep all the treasures in front of yourself and check where you have reached, how far you have reached. It should not be that you became happy with only a little. Acha, Murli will be continued tomorrow. Om Shanti.